Hello children, today we are going to see about the next part in the microorganism. In last video we have seen about the useful microorganism. So some microorganism they are harmful to us. So in what manner how they are harmful to us, today we will see about this. Yes, children, you know that if you are keeping your lunch box for 3 or 4 days, yes, otherwise you are keeping the bread like that only 3 or 4 days, you will observe that there will be the fungus. You will observe the fungus will grow on that bread or whatever the chapati is there on that. Yes, so this is your one type of the microorganism only. Yes, so these microorganism are harmful to us. Again, in home you are seeing that the jam or pickles is jars are there. On that the white scum is there or dotted particles may be form on the surface. This is again due to the microorganism. And in summer you are observing that the milk or food it gets spoiled quickly. Yes, so the fungus mainly grows on the moist and moist food. Yes, and these all are harmful to us. Yes, the food poisoning is there. You know that this word. Yes, this food poisoning occurs due to that the some microbes they releases the toxic material in the food, and such toxic spoil the food, and eating such spoiled food can cause the loose motion and vomiting in the food poisoning. Yes, how you will know the food stuff is spoiled? You will know that the microorganism will grow on it. Yes, again, what precaution you will take while purchasing the food and why? If you are purchasing the food, that time you check that it is fresh, properly covered or not. Yes, so always you have to eat the fresh and properly covered food and drink boiled water. It is very important for our health. Nowadays corona is there, you have to take these all precaution. Again, hold a handkerchief over the mouth and nose. Yes, wear the mask compulsory. Cough and sneeze is there that time. Don't allow the garbage or water to accumulate around our house. Yes, so this is very important, because if you are throwing like that only the microorganism it can spread the disease, various type of diseases. So pathogen means it is known as the disease producing microorganism. Yes, so the pathogen may be present in water bodies or in the sewage is there, again in the dirt from the surrounding, or in food whatever left uncovered, unhygienic condition. Yes, so that time the microorganism, this pathogen can enter in that food and it can causes various diseases. And if such contaminated food or water is consumed by us, then we may feel ill. Means we cannot feel good. We can suffer from different diseases. Yes, so that is of respiratory, maybe respiratory diseases is there, cholera is there, typhoid is there. Yes, so these type of disease can occur through this pathogen. So these pathogen are released in the air with a person having infection of that respiratory tract. Yes, means sneezing is there or cough is there, through that it can transfer to the healthy person. So healthy person may be infected with such pathogens on breathing in the same air. Yes, or contract with the diseases like the common cold and cough, and nowadays corona is there. Yes, so by that pneumonia is there, TB is there. This can type of disease will cause due to this pathogen. Again, some mosquitoes they can reproduce in the place like garbage is there, drainage system is there, on that they grow, and these microbes that causes the different type of diseases. In malaria, dengue, yellow fever is there, chikungunya is there. By that they can enter into the human body and through the bite of a female mosquitoes, and they cause this type of diseases. So always you have to clean your whatever the surrounding is there, that always you have to keep clean. And Always check the water tanks if they are cleaned or not. Whatever the water container you are taking, that will be always cleaned regularly. Yes, and you know that sometimes you get fever. That time generally what happening is that the temperature of the human body, you know that is of 37 degree. If the microbes are enter in our body, our immune system start acting, or the body temperature rises. These destroy the microorganism which are harmful, which are useful to us in our body. Useful microorganism are present, but at the time of fever these can destroy by some other microorganism. Yes, and we will get fever, and in that the temperature will increase. Yes, so always you have to eat fresh and properly covered fruit, drink boiled water, use mask, don't throw the garbage here and there, because these, if you are not keeping in mind, we can suffer from different type of diseases. So these all are about the pathogen which are harmful microorganism. So in next video we will discuss about the exercise of this lesson. Thank you.